If the average arithmetic mean of 10 numbers is 35, how many of the numbers are equal to 35? Okay, we have important information here. Let's begin with the first statement. None of the 10 numbers is less than 35. What does this mean? It means that if none is less than 35, that means all of them must be the opposite of less than 35, that is greater than or equal to 35. But watch out here. If all of the numbers have only two choices, greater than or equal to, but at the same time we are guaranteed that the average is still 35. Imagine that all of them are 35. Then the average is 35, no problem. So this can actually be possible. But what about greater than? Can just one of them be greater than 35 while all the others are 35? Then the average couldn't be 35. Just a single number being greater than 35 would mean an increase in the value of the average. So this option can simply not be. So it's sufficient because all of them are equal to 35, so you have an answer to the question. For the second statement, none of the 10 numbers is greater than 35 means that all of them are the opposite, must be less than or equal to 35. But you know, if all of them are 35, that's okay with the premise that the average must be 35. So this is good. But what about less than? Could any of the number be less than 35 while the others are 35 and still the average be 35? No, that's impossible. So this option cannot be. Again, you have an answer and both statements are sufficient